Hey, Shane Sutter here with LePage, Wheeler Sham, and we are out here on Chilliwack River Estates, showcasing this amazing 2-bedroom and 1-bath manufactured home. This place is gorgeous, and even more importantly, it backs onto the Vedder River greenbelt. You're moments away from some of the finest fishing in the Fraser Valley. You have nature at your doorstep, and you're only 5 minutes away from Garrison Crossing on top of that. You have a south-facing large backyard. Everything is here. What more could you ask for? But rather than listening to me, let's take a look.